With Odette Lunettes, we had the idea to do something with sports, combining it with a fashionable design. 3D printing is ideal to make technique and features of your glasses sports equipped without compromising on the design we had in mind. And on top of that, you can personalize and work on a tailor-made level. Perfect.
One important element of this project was that we were working on a short time scale to bring the frame to the market in 2 months, from design to final production. The beauty of 3D printing is how quickly you can move. And coupled with our expertise in using 3D printing to produce eyewear, we were able to address all of the key requirements related to mechanical functionality, aesthetical requirements, and the quality to produce the frame in time.
This gives us the opportunity to work with shapes, with patterns, and with relief in glasses, which would not have been able using a classical production method. In addition, you have the possibility of producing tailor-made. So the end consumer will be able to choose the color and the size of their choice for our sports frame. 3D printing has several advantages, but the most important one is that it is sustainable. We use PA11, that's a material based on castor beans, which are grown in India on a land where nothing else can grow anymore. So with Odette Lunettes, we want to focus on our social responsibility and be as sustainable as possible. Another important point is that we can keep our stock under control. We only produce when we sell, so there's no overproduction and no stock. Super sustainable.
Investing in a new collection alone carries risk, never mind a new category in multiple colors and sizes. It is only because 3D printing and the flexibility it brings for design and production that Odette Lunettes could embark on such a journey. Working with Materialise allowed Odette Lunettes' team to tap into our unique position in the market. We have a dedicated production facility for eyewear and in-depth knowledge of software for 3D printing. The combination of these together means that we can control the intricacies of the production process and tailor them to exactly the requirements of the project.